Days after the Prime Minister targeted the opposition alliance or the Mahagathbandhan, coining an acronym Sharab denoting the Samajwadi Party, the RLD and the BSP, it was the turn of Rashtriya Loktantra Dal's Vice President Jayant Chaudhary to launch an all-out attack at the Prime Minister. He said that the Prime Minister has given them several names using derogatory language. In fact, after the Prime Minister's remarks, Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav had also hit out at the Prime Minister, saying that it's the Prime Minister who's fanning hate in the society.
तो मैं गाली थोड़ी देना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन ये बहुत बड़े जूतियाँ हैं, जूती बहुत जूतियाँ पार्टी है.
So first, now let's listen into what the Prime Minister said while he was addressing a rally in Meerut that led to Jayant Chaudhary hitting back at him.
सपा का स, आरएलडी का र और बसपा का ब, मतलब शराब. अच्छी सेहत के लिए शराब से बचना चाहिए कि नहीं बचना चाहिए? उत्तर प्रदेश की अच्छी सेहत के लिए शराब से बचना चाहिए कि नहीं बचना चाहिए? अच्छे भारत के भविष्य के लिए शराब से बचना चाहिए कि नहीं बचना चाहिए? तो सपा, आरएलडी, बसपा, ये शराब आपको बर्बाद कर देगी.
Well, Nilanshu joins us for more on this. Nilanshu, the race to the Lok Sabha elections is undoubtedly heating up with, the Sharab acronym not going down too well, and Jayant Chaudhary launching a counter-attack at the BJP for its salvos at the alliance.
Well, this is absolutely right, and Jayant Chaudhary has indirectly raised the issue of Sant Kabir Nagar incident, in which the BJP MP Sharad Tripathi was seen thrashing an MLA, a local MLA, with his. He has raised this incident, and he has also slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP during his campaigns in Western UP, accusing the BJP of ignoring the plight of the farmers and not clearing the dues of the sugarcane. Let me tell you that both Jayant Chaudhary and his father have started extensively campaigning in Eastern UP. They are primarily raising the issue of farmers. They are also raising the issue of law and order. They have said that since the BJP has come to power, the law and order situation in UP is deteriorating, and the crime against women is also on the rise. So these are the prominent issues. But in Western UP, the RLD focus is to woo the farmers, and that is why they are constantly raising the issue of sugarcane farmer votes.
All right, thanks so much for joining us. And before we head to the next story, let's once again listen in to what Jayant Chaudhary's counter-attack was on the Prime Minister's Sharab acronym.
और ये आपको शराबी कहे, ये आपको मिलावट कहे, मैंने भी इनके लिए नाम सोच रखा. ये जूते में बड़े अच्छी तरीके से लोग माहिर है, जूते से मारपीट करते हैं. तो मैं गाली थोड़ी देना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन ये बहुत बड़े जूतियाँ हैं, जूती बहुत जूतियाँ पार्टी है.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.